Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the subtle contact points where your body meets the chair or the floor, and you can allow that support to hold you completely, inviting a release of any effort you've been carrying, letting go of the need to do anything at all for these next moments. There is only being fight. You might notice the rhythm of your breathing, not trying to change it, simply becoming aware of the natural flow of air, the cool sensation as it enters, the warm release as it leaves, and with each cycle, you are already here, present in this moment. And you can notice how your body knows exactly how to breathe. Without any thought from you, a perfect, intelligent rhythm that has been with you since your very first breath. I invite you now to recall a moment, a single moment in your past where you felt completely present, utterly still inside. It might have been watching a sunset, or listening to rain, or holding a sleeping child, or simply sitting with a cup of tea, a moment where time seemed to soften, and there was only the experience itself. Go to that memory now, and as you step into it, begin to notice what you saw and now, most importantly, reconnect with how you felt in that moment of pure awareness. The feeling in your body, a sense of calm, of peace, of stillness, a feeling of being exactly where you were meant to be, doing exactly what you were meant to be doing, which was simply being. Now, release the curd and plust it from the soft fucks, and simply noun your oren fuck instead he paste with soft fucks and veily. Feel that quality of presence now, as if you are touching it again, and as you feel it, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand, creating a gentle, firm connection. And as you hold this touch, you are anchoring this feeling of complete presence, locking this resourceful state into your neurology, so that anytime you need it, you can access it simply by making this same gentle connection. Now, release the touch and know the anchor is set, a neurological link to peace. And from this place of remembered stillness, we begin to deepen, allowing your awareness to gently drift from the memory and come fully into the sensations of this present moment, the here and now. I am here. I feel the gentle rise and fall of my chest and abdomen. I feel the weight of my body being fully supported by the earth. There is nowhere to go, nothing to achieve in this sacred space of now, and you might hover it, and you might notice how easily a sense of peace arrives when you stop reaching for it and simply acknowledge it is already here. But I am the space in which my experiences arise, vast, calm, and unchanging. Thoughts may come and thoughts may go, but I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness that observes them passing by. Like clouds drifting across a vast clear sky, the thoughts appear, they change shape, and they dissolve, while the sky of my awareness remains untouched and serene. Sounds may arise in my environment, and instead of pulling me away, they simply become part of the tapestry of the present. They anchor me deeper into the now. Each sensation, whether pleasant or neutral, is a messenger from the present moment, saying, I am here. Feel this aliveness. I release the habit of mental time travel, and I plant my consciousness firmly in the fertile ground of this instant. With every heartbeat, I am reminded, I am here. I am alive. This is happening. In this awareness, there is no problem to solve, only an experience to have. I am discovering that peace is not a destination. It is the very ground of my being when I pay attention. A quiet joy begins to bubble up from within. The simple joy of existence, the joy of being aware. I am fully inhabiting my body, this vehicle of present moment experience. I sense the energy humming within every cell, a quiet vibration of life happening now. I let go of the need to define this moment or understand it. I simply allow it to be as it is. I am training my neurology with gentle repetition to prefer the richness of the present over the stories of the past and future. I am lotus. I have drifted into thought. Celebrate because the noticing itself is a powerful return to presence. My anchor is always with me. That gentle touch of thumb and forefinger, a secret key to unlock this state of calm awareness anytime I choose. The state a feeling barrio. State betoint satfa to breath word and the everything dis present amount. I am noticing I have drifted in the witter of that anchored stillness and flowing from that point of contact through my hand, up my arm, and flooding my entire being with the quality of present moment awareness. The feeling deepens and grows stronger with every second I hold this anchor. This is my resource, my inner sanctuary, always available. I release the anchor now, carrying the feeling with me. My mind is becoming a clear window through which I perceive the world directly without the dust of constant commentary. I am aware of space, the space between my breaths, the space around my body, the space in which all of this exists, and this vast, spacious awareness. While walking, I feel the connection of my foot with the earth, and I am grounded. While listening, I hear not just words, but the silence between them, and I am receptive. My daily life becomes a continuous meditation, a gentle flow of engaged presence. The boundary between formal practice and daily life softens and dissolves until all of life is an opportunity for this deep, connected awareness. I carry this inner stillness with me like a secret well of peace that never runs dry. And now, as we prepare to transition, I invite you to feel the fullness of this present moment. One last time, feel the air on your skin. Feel the quiet hum of your alive body and chest, Mom. Be the days ahead. You'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now. Beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again.